Hey everyone, welcome to LittleSparksECE, where we explore how the coolest things in the world are made and how you can become a creator too. Today we're going to start off with a very basic lesson, just introducing some concepts that are going to be really important in the future. Have you ever wondered how lights turn on, how video games work, or how robots can dance? That's all thanks to something called electrical and computer engineering. And today we're going to explore what that means. Ready? Let's blast off. So first of all, what is engineering? I think it's important we define that before we get started. Engineering means solving problems and building cool stuff. Engineers are inventors, designers, and fixers all rolled into one. So as we can see here, we have people building a treehouse, building Legos, building mini roller coasters. These are considered acts of engineering. Now there are many types of engineers. There are civil engineers who build bridges and buildings. There are mechanical engineers who build cars and machines. And then there are electrical and computer engineers, the ones who make electronics, robots, and smart devices come to life. Let's start with electrical engineering. It's all about electricity, it's in the name. That invisible energy that powers light, phones, fans, and even all your toys. Now, as we can see in the picture here, we have a simple electric circuit that's powering this light bulb, and we'll go more deep into this. But for now, electrical engineers figure out how to move electricity safely through wires and parts to make things light up, beep, or spin. When you flip a light switch, that's electrical engineering at work. When a fan cools you down or your toy car zooms around, an electrical engineer helped make that happen. Even the tiny circuits inside your watch or TV remote. Yup, electrical engineers designed those too. Now, let's go ahead and talk about computer engineering. Imagine if your toaster could think, or your watch could talk to your phone. That's what computer engineers help build. They make the brains of machines, little computers called microchips that go inside all kinds of smart devices. Now, I don't want you to get confused by me using like a new vocabulary word, microchips. Just think of these chips as the brains, as the processors of all the things we build. Computer engineers also write special instructions called code that tell these computers what to do. If you've ever played a video game, opened an app, or used a smart speaker, you've seen a computer engineer in action. It's like writing a recipe, but instead of cookies, you're making a robot move or a game run. Now, where do we see electrical and computer engineering in real life? Well, if you think about it, they're everywhere. Let's just look at a few examples. First, we have traffic lights. Electrical engineers make sure they change at the right time. Because if this didn't work, then cars would be going at each other constantly. Next, let's look at the bottom left and look at these smartphones. Computer engineers make sure your camera works and your apps are open. These help ensure that the interface on your phone runs smoothly. Next, towards the bottom right, we have wireless headphones. Both engineers work together to send sound from the phone to your ears. And lastly, in the middle, we have rockets. Electrical engineers power the engines, and computer engineers help the rocket know where to go, sort of like a team thing. Even toy robots, smart fridges, and drones that fly, they all need electrical and computer engineers. So what did we learn today? We learned that electrical engineers help control electricity and power, and computer engineers help machine think, talk, and respond. Together, they build the amazing stuff we use every day, from TVs to tablets to Teslas. And guess what? If you love building, creating, or solving puzzles, you could become an electrical or computer engineer too. In the next video, we're going to dive into what electricity actually is and how it works with the super fun water analogy. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and bring your curiosity next time. See you next time.